Hi, I'm Mark with the NorthShoreCommercialDoor.com. Today we're doing a little history lesson, and our subject today is Gatheron. Gatheron is not a household name in the garage door industry in the United States, but they're getting bigger, and you'll hear more about them as time goes on. They're one of our supply partners headquartered in China. They make a full line of residential garage door openers in China, and they're very well received and sold in China. One of the specialties that they have offered to us is they have mastered the electronics to clone the Chamberlain LiftMaster product in the 315 and 390 megahertz. So we bring their transmitters in the 315 and 390 megahertz in the 3-button configuration, and we sell them for a substantial discount over what you would pay for the genuine Chamberlain LiftMaster products. Several years ago, when we started the relationship, we took the product and did a very exhaustive testing on it, because we won't sell anything that is problematic or we can't stand behind. We found the product to be very, very suitable for what it's doing, and we stand fully behind the product, and we recommend it as a lower price alternative to the high-priced Chamberlain LiftMaster product.
NorthShoreCommercialDoor.com offers Gatheron replacement transmitter remotes. Their excellent quality and value cannot be surpassed. Thank you for watching the NorthShoreCommercialDoor.com video. Now please subscribe to our channel so we can continue making informational videos like this.